County in northwestern Indiana until 11:15 a.m. At 10:38 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over the north, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated location. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Counts around 10:55 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Stoutsburg. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is NOAA's weather.